You're welcome to my channel, and this is Oppo 5 review. We're going to be talking about this phone. Is it worth buying? What makes this phone so special compared to some of the latest phones that is being produced by these phone manufacturers, and what special features does this phone have that makes it unique compared to every other phone? So please stay tuned, and if this is your first time, click on the like and subscribe to this channel so that you can keep getting notification of my new videos that is coming out. So we'll be making a review of this phone. Is Oppo 5, and we have the 4G and the 5G. This phone was launched in the year 2021 and it has a whole lot of features which I'm going to be explaining. First, it comes with an AMOLED screen, which simply means the display quality is going to be, the graphics is going to be very good, and it also comes with a dual SIM, dual nano SIM. It uses two SIM, which means you can use different network on this phone, and it also comes with an Android 11 with an upgradable Android 12 version, which you can see that this phone is still current compared to some of the latest phone that is being done by some other phone companies. And we're going to be looking at the functions, a whole lot of functions. And now for the battery, it comes with 4310 mAh capacity, and with that you can see that even though not that good compared to some of the latest phones that are coming with 5000 mAh battery, you can see that the 4310 is still good, and some phones are still using the same battery. Another special feature about this phone is that it charges very fast. Within 48 minutes as advertised, it becomes fully charged, and it comes with a loudspeaker. Apart from the fact that it uses two nano SIM, it also comes with an SD card slot, which means you can use a two SIM card with one SD card on this phone. So now we're going to be looking at the inner features on this phone. We're also going to be looking at the camera quality. We'll be taking a live video for you to see how the camera looks like. And now let's come to the mobile network. You can see it's displaying two SIM, and this phone is very good compared to some of these latest phones in which you are seeing the market. The only thing is that this phone is very affordable and the price is less compared to all these phones, and there's a whole lot of latest functions input on this phone in order to be able to match with some of these new phones that are being done currently. But we're going to be going deeper into more details about this particular phone. So the next thing we have to do is that we have to look at what are the other functions of this phone apart from the fact that it uses two SIM. So we're going to be coming to this other place. Now let's come to password and security. Let's see what are the security features which this phone has. It has lock screen, fingerprint, face ID, and privacy password. You can see these security functions are common with some of these latest phones in which is actually in the market. Then the next thing we have to look at is this. Then let's look at the privacy feature which is on this phone. What makes this phone to be very private, or let's say very secured? Let's come to this privacy which is on your screen. Once you come to privacy, this is what it displays. It shows you app lock. You can actually hide app. You can create private, safe, and system cleaner. And let's also come to the battery. It has this feature of power saving mode and super power saving mode and advanced settings. These are some of the common settings in which you see. It also has this power saving mode in which is on the optimization. When you optimize this phone, you get to close some auto launch apps and a whole lot in order to be able to save your battery and still enjoy a good functionality of this phone. What this means is that you can duplicate a single app and also split the screen. That's when you are watching this, you can work on two different screens. Then we also have this other function which is the special features. We have flexible windows, quick return, smart sidebar, kid space, and simple mode. So all these are the functions of this phone. When you come to the flexible distance, these are all the settings which is on the flexible mode. And when you also come to quick return, then these are also the settings which is on this phone. There's a whole lot on this phone. Then we also come to smart bar. Smart bar is some of those icon or application that comes out at the side. Then we also have kid space. These are kid settings. That's if you want to configure this phone to work for your kids, or maybe your children want to use this phone. These are the options that are there. Simple mode also is also meant for those that don't want so much complication menus on the phone. You just make it simple. It gives you most of the important applications that is needed. Then we also have digital well-being and generation for you to see how healthy your phone is and how it's functioning. Then the common system settings, whereby you set your date, your time, the language of your phone, the keypad in which you want to use, and a whole lot on your phone. Then we have the screen recording, which is also on the screen. You can record a whole lot. Then this other one is about the device. This is where you get to see the storage of the device, the name of the phone, Oppo Reno. Then the storage, you can see the storage is 128, but up to 20.4 gig has been used on this phone. Then we also have the RAM, which is 8 gig in total, and we also have the Android version and the processor and a whole lot. So we're going to be coming to the processor for you to see. It comes with Android 12, and this is the Android security update, which is also on the phone. Now let's come to the RAM. When you come to this RAM, which is showing 8 gig, what happens is that the RAM in total is 8, but we have expandable memory, which is you can make it to be 5 gig, 3 gig or 2 gig. So you can expand the memory or you reduce it. But when you expand it, it makes your phone to run very fast. But when you also reduce it, it makes your phone to run slow. There's a whole lot on this expandable memory, which I'm going to explain later on in the video. And also the Android version, as I said before, is Android 12, and it can be upgraded to any other latest version which is available. So all these are the settings of this phone. We also have the battery level, the IP address, and a whole lot on this phone. So all these functions and settings comes with this phone, and these are some of the normal things in which you get on this phone. Another thing now, which is most important, is the camera. We are going to be coming to the camera for you to see how this phone looks like. Picture quality is good, but not so good, honestly speaking. And we are going to be testing the zoom in lens to see how it looks like. So you can see the camera is good, but not so good. But I think this phone is actually not a flagship phone. It's just a low budget and affordable phone in which anyone can use. So please, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos coming out. You can also watch all these my videos on Vision Pro, GG versus Marketplace, Samsung Galaxy fake iPhone 14 Pro Max, months after purchase of internet, is MagSafe really safe, Pop 7, unboxing, refurbished versus genuine, and a whole lot. Add the link in the description. Thank you.